Slinky's over today, getting his fix of catnip. I don't know if that plant's gonna make it. They're getting their voice between Slinky and the black cat that comes to visit. They're really working the catnip over. They really like it. We'll see if the other day when he came over and he had his catnip, he really got all enthused. He's out here rolling around and being excited. He's a one long guy. Look how long he is. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? Can I come down and pet you? Huh? Oh, yeah. All excited. You had your catnip, huh? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. You had catnip. Huh? Huh? You have your catnip? Yeah. No? Yeah. Oh, yeah. What are you doing? Slinky? Oh, yeah. Look at you. Ah. You gonna fall off? Oh. Oh, a bug. You got a bug down there. Where you going? We'll go back over and check the catnip out, I think. Oh, he's grubbing on this stick. Oh, I get some more catnip. Oh, there he goes. If you enjoy these Slinky videos, please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for stopping in today and watching Slinky get his daily dose of catnip.